Hello and welcome to CoinTales. The 1976 Liberty Quarter dollar, often referred to as the Bicentennial Quarter, stands as an iconic coin in the history of American numismatics. With its unique design, historical significance, and limited mintage, this quarter has become a highly sought-after collector's item. In this video, we will delve into the rich history, distinctive features, and remarkable rarity of the 1976 Liberty Quarter dollar. Historical background. The 1976 Liberty Quarter dollar was minted to commemorate the United States bicentennial celebration. It holds a special place in American history as it marked the 200th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence and the birth of the nation. The United States Mint produced these quarters to honor the occasion, and their designs are emblematic of this pivotal event. Distinctive features. Dual-dated design. One of the most distinctive features of the 1976 Liberty Quarter is its dual-dated design. Unlike most U.S. quarters, which display only 1 year, these quarters bear the dual dates 1776 to 1976. The dual-dated design serves as a reminder of the nation's bicentennial celebration. Independence Hall. On the reverse, tails, side of the coin, you'll find a depiction of Independence Hall in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where the Declaration of Independence was adopted and where the Constitutional Convention took place. This iconic building is a symbol of American democracy and freedom. Liberty Bell. Flanking the Independence Hall design is the image of the Liberty Bell, an enduring symbol of American independence and freedom. The presence of the Liberty Bell reinforces the historical significance of this coin. Drummer Boy. On the reverse side, a drummer boy is also depicted, representing the youth who played an essential role during the American Revolutionary War. Rarity and collectability. The 1976 Liberty Quarter dollars are considered rare and highly collectible for several reasons. Limited mintage. The United States Mint produced these quarters in 2 different compositions. While the most common ones are made of copper nickel clad, there are also special 40% silver-clad versions created exclusively for collectors in mint sets. The silver-clad quarters are highly sought after due to their limited mintage and silver content. Historical significance. The coin's dual-dated design, featuring the years 1776 to 1976, is a testament to the nation's history. Collectors and history enthusiasts are drawn to this coin because of its connection to the bicentennial celebration. Collector appeal. Many collectors seek to complete sets of U.S. quarters, and the 1976 Liberty Quarter is a vital addition to these collections. Coins in uncirculated condition, especially those graded by professional grading services, can fetch significant premiums. Market demand. The 1976 Liberty Quarter dollars have maintained their popularity among collectors, contributing to their enduring value in the numismatic market. Conclusion. The 1976 Liberty Quarter dollar is a numismatic treasure that combines historical significance, distinctive design, and rarity. Whether you are a seasoned collector or a novice enthusiast, this coin is a piece of American history that continues to captivate and inspire collectors and patriots alike. Its dual-dated design, featuring Independence Hall and the Liberty Bell, serves as a reminder of the enduring principles upon which the United States was founded. As a collector's item, it holds both historical and monetary value, making it a remarkable addition to any collection.